प्यारे देशवासियों, हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बचाने के लिए, आपको बचाने के लिए, आपके परिवार को बचाने के लिए आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है।
हेलो। हाँ जी।
हाँ मनु, where were you man?
अरे आई वॉज वॉशिंग वेसल्स यार। अबे क्या करूँ मैं यार, वीकडेज तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम, वीकेंड्स तो वर्क फॉर होम, बस हो गया मेरा।
Yeah, everywhere it's the same case man. Yeah, tell me, what's the plan for 16th?
What plan on 16th?
अरे, lockdown is getting over on 15th now. So let's party man.
हाँ of course. हाँ अरे I am also waiting for the lockdown to get over ना।
Arey Deepa, I have completed watching all the series on Netflix. I hope Modi ji will not extend the lockdown tomorrow. What do you think? Will he extend the lockdown?
No idea, Raksha. But seriously, I hope they don't.
ಏನೋ ಮಚ್ಚ, ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು?
അയ്യോ, എങ്ങനെ നാളെ കൂടണ്ടേ? പാർട്ടി വെച്ചോ, നാളെ ലോക്ക്ഡൌൺ തീരുവാണ്, തകർക്കണം.
अरे पक्का चलेंगे यार। You just decide the venue.
You know what? For the first time in my life, I have started watching anime. Can you imagine that? ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಕರ್ಮ.
Even I am left with only that option now.
ಎಷ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು? ನನಗಂತೂ ಫ್ರಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ಅಂತ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು? ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Who else is coming?
I put up a mail to the entire team. Though for technical topics, no one will vote. But for this one, the votes were flooding, man.
That is right. We will call that Rahul and his team also. They don't eat much also. For splitting the bill it is easy.
ಹೋಗಿ ಇವನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡು, ವೇಸ್ಟ್.
Yeah, I will decide the venue and let you know. And you'll be calling Rahul, right?
चलो I will call Rahul. Okay.
നാളെ രാവിലെ പോയിട്ട് ഞാൻ ബോട്ടിൽ ഒപ്പിക്കും. എല്ലാരും വൈകുന്നേരം കൂടുന്നു, ഒരു 2 അടിച്ചിട്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാനോ? ചാൻസേ ഇല്ല.
अरे लॉकडाउन won't extend ना।
Please extend ಮಾಡಬೇಡ.
We'll enjoy, then go to office after 2 days.
साथियों, सारे सुझावों को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये तय किया गया है कि भारत में लॉकडाउन को अब 3 मई तक और बढ़ाना पड़ेगा।
എന്തൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു, ഒരു തുള്ളി പോലും ഞാൻ ബാക്കി വെച്ചില്ല.
ಈಗ ಆನಿಮೆ ನೋಡಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
What will I do for the next 15 days?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡನ್ ಮಚ್ಚ. ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಂತೂ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ಅಂತ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ?
I'm done with this. How long should I stay at home?
I don't care if you break the chain or not. That's it, I'm going.
Stop.
stop. This is not the time to look into your personal interest. It's dangerous out there and you shouldn't step out. You might be wondering who I am. I am the messenger of God.
Oh, now you're going to fight against colonizing?
If we can save our kingdom by building a strong fort, then why wage a war? When all of you sit at home and maintain the social distancing, this virus will go the way it came. After all, this lockdown is actually giving you a chance to regain all that you lost in this busy world out there. Time to spend with family, time to explore your creative end, and after all, you also have time to build that world that I dreamt each one of you should live in.
World? Which world?
That green world which you all lost under great man's inventions and expansions. If each of you could plant a few plants at your home or your surroundings, maybe we can gain back that world which once you lost and which you need to survive. So stay home, break the chain, and build a green wall.
Hey Manu, management is quite impressed the way you guys are handling the crisis and meeting the deadlines. They're suggesting on extending work from home even after lockdown is done, maybe for few more weeks. What do you think?
Sure, sir. I think that's a good idea. After all, we are not working from home as a favor. It's our social responsibility.